Welcome to boring minutes of slow-ass shading of a single eye. Good luck surviving. To be honest, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing here. I'm basically winging it and praying it doesn't turn out tragic. Don't mind my crusty hands. I'm hella broke. I'll come back next time with some proper TLC. If you're watching this expecting a professional tutorial, I am so sorry to disappoint you. Let me shut up for a sec. I don't know why I act like I'm qualified to explain anything. Half the time I'm just squinting at the screen and pretending I know what shadows are. This is basically an art TED Talk hosted by someone running on caffeine and delusion. Yes, real-time drawing is slow. Yes, I'm shading the same area for way too long. But the ATEEZ remixes in the background are carrying the entire video, so at least you won't fall asleep while I suffer. And listen, ATEEZ fans know the struggle. You start drawing one member and suddenly you're in a full emotional spiral about their lore, their visuals, their everything. I'm trying to take my art seriously now, even if my recording skills are attacking me. Guys, don't let me quit before I start. I'm low-key scared to post this, but before I hesitate, let's get back to ATEEZ and this dangerously handsome man. I will talk about him more in a bit. You can literally see in real time how long it takes to make something look even remotely realistic. Finishing a drawing is basically an eternal side quest at this point. But since you're already here, staring at these endless pencil strokes, let's talk about the man himself, Choi-san. There is something incredibly haunting about his gaze. When he steps onto the stage, it's like he undergoes a complete shift in reality. He doesn't just perform, he lets the music consume him, and trying to capture that specific, intense energy with a digital brush is honestly a form of self-inflicted torture. Because how do you even draw someone who looks like he's simultaneously summoning a demon and blessing your entire bloodline? His stage presence is so unhinged it feels illegal to pause the video for reference. Every frame is a new personality attack. 1 second he's soft and angelic, the next he's staring into the camera like he knows all your secrets. And here I am, trying to freeze that chaos into one still image like I'm not already fighting for my life. This is too much. I need a break.
Selfie now, who are you? 거울속 비친 넌 누구인가? Who are you? 길이 안에 길이 이 길의 뒤에 시대와 미래 사이에 난 어디 있어? 듣고 싶어 난 사랑의 숨소리. 알고 싶어 난 이대로 괜찮은지. 소리는 괜찮은 파란색이야. 속삭임이 들려오는 문가. 시작되는 깊은 울림.
Anyway, realism takes forever, but not as long as trying to understand ATEEZ lore. That thing has layers on layers. In the official ATEEZ lore, they fight against a world that wants to steal their emotions, their voices, their art. And looking at this right here, I wanted to capture that exact moment of resistance, the quiet before the storm. A gaze that has seen too many dark nights, yet refuses to blink, refuses to back down. It's dark, it's moody, and it perfectly matches the tragic hero vibe he carries so effortlessly. Anyway, my hand is cramping. My eyes are fried and my brain is buffering at this point. But we actually made it through the eye. You are awesome, thanks. I'm gonna split this drawing into a few parts of my little art TED Talk. Once I finish the full piece and all the close-ups, I'm dropping a speed paint of the whole thing. And guess who's gonna be standing next to him? Stay tuned. If you survive this chaotic art rant, tell me in the comments which ATEEZ member I should suffer through next. See you in the next one. Bye, please subscribe and comment.